This is Sight Words List 6. We'll practice these words by first hearing the sounds to the word and then writing the word on our paper. First word, if. If. Next word, there. The air. The E and I are working together. The air. Next word, these. The e's. The E. Oh, here we go. The E. Not so many letters there. Next word, day. D-A. D-A. Next word, one. The number one spelled out. It doesn't look like what it sounds like. One. It's an old English word. A lot of these sight words are, so, but that's how you spell it. O-N-E, one. Next word, them. The, e, them. Them. Next word, with. W, it, the, w, it, the, th together, with. Next word, feel. Eel. Eel. Feel. Next word, said. The AI are sounding like an E. Said. Said. Next word, there. The. Silent E. Very old English word. And that is all we have for now. One last word, my apologies. No, we already said that one. Keep on practicing. That's all for now.